Hi partner, good day. We're here to tackle about best new technologies that we think are. So I prepare here some presentation to show you my new technology.
Blockchain technology. It is an advanced database mechanism that allows transparent information sharing within a business network. A blockchain database stores data in blocks that are linked together in a chain. It was created by an unknown person behind the online cash currency Bitcoin under the pseudonym of Satoshi Nakamoto. It was introduced in October 28, but the original place where the blockchain was invented is unknown. They wanted to introduce a computationally practical solution for timestamping digital documents so that they could not be backdated or tampered. We can properly utilize this new technology to help improve our way of living in the IT era by appreciating how it works or how it helps to make our daily life easier and make our assets more secured and organized in all online platforms.
Oh, that was a wonderful and informative presentation, partner. So to summarize your video, how could your technology bring us to this new era? To summarize my video presentation, partner, the new technology that I choose can bring us into new IT era by making our life more easier, making our transactions or payments more secured, and we don't need to travel how many kilometers anymore just to pay our bills. I have also prepared my presentation for my new technology, so let's watch my presentation.
3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a method of creating a three-dimensional object layer by layer using a computer-created design. In the 3D printing process, sequential layers of material are laid down by the 3D printer until object creation is completed and objects are created through an additive process, where the printer places layer after layer of material until the desired thing is printed. 3D printing is also used to manufacture molds for making jewelry and even the jewelry itself. Charles Hull is the inventor of stereolithography, the first commercial rapid prototyping technology commonly known as 3D printing. The earliest applications were in research and development labs and tool rooms, but today 3D printing applications are seemingly endless. The first documented iterations of 3D printing can be traced back to the early 1980s in Japan. In 1981, Hideo Kodama was trying to find a way to develop a rapid prototyping system. He came up with a layer-by-layer approach for manufacturing using a photosensitive resin that was polymerized by the UV light.
Oh, it was nice, partner. So, but can you tell me how that new technology can bring us into new IT era? To summarize my presentation, partner, my new technology can bring us to the new IT era. It can help us in our everyday life. It can make our life convenient and more easy to make parts for something important and any other parts we can use. To end our argument, partner, I think I agree with your new technology, that 3D printing, that it was so helpful in the near futures. It has no negative effects in our society. And how about you, partner? What do you think in my new technology? I think I do not strongly agree because blockchain is for me so very risky. There is some many hackings happening there, and yeah, it's not that really secure, and it is so very risky for me. So we concluded your new technology is more better than mine. So I accept that because I also agree that the blockchain technology has no is not 100% sure that can give us a positive outcome in the future. So that's all, partner. Thank you. Thank you, partner. That's all.